had Mom and one of the phones come around the back of the house, so Don's headed to do the corn detail. There he is. Hi. Goodness, come on up. Come on up. There you go. There you go. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Morris. Good boy. Good boy. Stripe and Marty are in the house. I think Stripe's ready to come out. I'll let him out in a second. We had a tree branch come down last night that kind of did some stuff to my Rose of Sharon over there. Well, we only had a little over 1/10 of an inch since midnight. And the forecast was we might have rain tonight into tomorrow morning, but guess what? It's raining right now. Not super heavy, but it's raining. I'm trying to cut down on food for nighttime and midnight. That's fun. Not. And Marty came out to the kitchen this morning looking for his dry chow that I usually put out at midnight, and it wasn't there. And he wasn't too happy about it. But there's dry chow outside, and he went out and he ate now. So it's all good. Sam's coming over today. In between the raindrops, I'm going to go run and get some steaks from Harris Teeter. I got my GFCI back on. And all's good. I'm headed to Harris Teeter to get some steaks. I'm in Ruby. And I just wanted to show you that there is a little bit of water down there in the creek bed. Yeah, there's also a little bit of stilt grass that needs to be pulled. It just never ends. There's some police activity up here on the right. I don't know if it's more let's pull over speeders or something else. Stranded motorist. I don't know. I'm driving. Another one of our ghost cars. Now there's two people stopped. I'm gonna say they're ticketing, not an accident, and they just happened to come out and stop at a similar time. The speed limit's 45. I would think it's kind of hard to get up over that between the two stoplights. I mean, you'd have to really be in a rush and really work it to make that happen back there. I was gonna park over here on the UPS end, but it's amazingly crowded right now for 11 o'clock on a Friday. I realize it's Friday, but wow. I'll go down to the other side. So within the last week, they have come over here and clear cut this forested area beside the shopping center here. This was all trees in there. Obviously they're going to build something, and it's disappointing. It's very disappointing. And people all the time are talking about it. I mean, I heard Scott say it in the video, don't anybody else move to Raleigh, the V14 light video yesterday. And honestly, that's the sentiment a lot of us have now. There's a certain level of where people moving in is just fine. And then once you get past that level, it's like, God help us, please don't let anybody, I'm going to point the other way. God help us, please don't let anybody else come in. And we're definitely at that point in Fuquay. It's like, there's not a single one of us that wants more people to move in or more forested land to be taken down. I said it the other day and I meant it. I'd rather have urban sprawl than this cram everybody in a little bit tighter into the space that we've already got. I'm not amused. Well, I got what I needed, and Sam will be at the house in about 30 minutes, so I'm just headed back home. I think we're going to come out to town, but I didn't want to have to stop at Harris Teeter. Dawn's going to try to finish up work at 3 o'clock today. So we'll eat then. We've been trying to watch Logan's Run with Sam for the last several visits, and it hasn't worked out. Maybe today. Hi, nighttime. Who came to visit you? Marty, are you enjoying your gravy? Hey, Sam.
Hey. It's getting 5-star treatment.
Yep, seriously. That boy likes his tummy rub more than any other cat on the planet. So when we pulled out here onto Judd Parkway, there was a Fuquay police officer outside of his vehicle. I didn't even see his vehicle. Did you see his vehicle, Sam?
No.
With a radar gun. And then there was another police officer down the street, had somebody pulled over. And I suppose if this cop saw somebody, then, you know, there's another cop ready to go after that car. But yeah, they're still all over the place out here pulling people left and right.
It was in South Park, I think I saw it.
Yeah, well, personally, I would like for them to do something about people speeding through South Park trying to avoid this stoplight, because to me, that's a serious danger of running over children or pedestrians, versus the speeding is like, yeah, you should slow down, but I'm not sure how, I don't know, they must be really speeding. But I'm going to say, too, that on that road back there at Judd, that one part of Judd Parkway, I don't think it's clearly marked. So, I don't know. It's like 45 when you come across the light back there. And then it's 35 for a block. And then as soon as you get on the other side again, it's 45. And something's not right about how that's marked over there. Those are so pretty and they're heavyweight and everything, but I don't need more margarita glasses. The pattern, but goodness, that one is huge. It's like twice the size of my one that's already really big. Morris likes attention too. That's a good boy, Morris. So Sam got a couple pair of pants and the game controller, and I got a shirt for Dawn, and we're back home, and I'm gonna make some potatoes and start cooking. I had a plant emergency. This pot was full of water. I guess the roots coming out the bottom are so thick in the hole that no water could get out past the roots. So anyway, Dawn put one hole down low on the side where you can't really see it, and the pot has now drained. Thank goodness. Hopefully the tree won't suffer. Since it's such a large tree, probably be fine. Oh, Morris is so cute.
He used to run away if you tried to pet him.
Now he demands pets. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's a good boy. Meh. He's been sleeping in the cat hotel with the rain the past couple of days. So one of the Bricklink orders that they said wouldn't come until Monday was in the mailbox today. And here's my cat Bricks. Yay! Well, we enjoyed dinner and a movie. Sam left to go home a little bit ago. It's going on 6:30. And yeah, I'm aware Starship is going up here in a bit. I'm going to at least do the tan tiles. Finish up the floor part of these two pieces. This is the second floor and the third floor.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Come on, Starship.
1.
And we have lit that giant candle. Wow. I want him to succeed so much. It's so nerve-wracking. All the engines are currently lit like they're supposed to be. All right, well.
It's beautiful weather.
Yeah, thank goodness they've got better weather today. Yesterday they called it before they even tried to go to the plate. Well, we're going to be here watching. I'm doing my Lego, but I came over to watch the launch live. So far, so good.
We're going to be planning to do an ocean splashdown just off the coast of Starbase, so hoping to still get some amazing views of that.
Well, as long as it's controlled in whatever way they want it to be controlled.
It's awesome to see the Raptor engines there on the left-hand side of your screen. We can actually see the plume there. of those
Yeah.
summer raptors. Those are the sea level ones.
So much to
As
watch.
well as the vacuum
So
raptors.
we're getting ready now.
Yeah,
for
so
our
the boosters are
in-space
where it was
objective.
supposed to be, but it came in a little faster than it was supposed to come. They didn't quite get all the engines relit. We were in the process of counting as it was blowing up on impact. But it was landed where it was allowed to land, so that's good. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
They weren't going to save it anyway. And ship looks good in orbit. I'm excited to see the Pez dispenser again.
Yeah.
With real Starlinks this time. Yeah, so the Pez dispenser's operational and they're popping the satellites out the door, but they said that these satellites are going to stay in the same orbit as Starship, and in 20 minutes they're going to come back to Earth. They're just running the tests. They're not actually deploying for operational reasons these satellites. So, okay. Well, that sure made for some good entertainment.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it's always a relief when things go
Yeah.
as planned and everyone is safe on the ground, and
Yeah.
we stay in range like we're supposed to, and yeah.
That was cool that it floated. It's I don't know how long it's going to stay afloat, but it was bobbing on the waves there.
Yeah, it looked pretty, the heat shield looked pretty good from what we could see of it while it was there. So,
So
hopefully they got lots of data, and test flight 14 will be even better.
Even better. That's right.
Yeah, but starting to look like it's promising.
That's right. Very much so.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Elon, and all the folks that start
SpaceX and Starlink for the entertainment and everything.
Yeah, because the video was incredible.
Yep. And I did get the floors done on both the second and third floor with those tan tiles that came, and then I organized and put away a lot of bricks again. I've been kind of on an organizational kick, so I put a few bricks on my project, and then I sort some bricks, and then I put a few more bricks on the project. And I did find one more green quarter moon, I guess. Half moon? Yeah.
Yeah. I had a nap.
Yes, you did.